What's your favorite no way story? I used to live with a roommate who had a massive fish tank containing 4 cichlids. The pink one was particularly aggressive and would bully the others. I couldn't stand that fish. One night, I dreamt that I caught it, cooked it in a pan with butter, and ate it. The next day, I checked the tank and realized that the pink cichlid was missing. I panicked and searched everywhere for it. He's nowhere to be found. When my roommate got home from work, I told him about my dream and that the pink cichlid is missing. He looked at me visibly shaken and said, "Dude, I'm gonna start locking my bedroom door at night." Days and weeks go by. I'm truly disturbed that I'm capable of sleep eating my roommate's pets. Finally, I'm so overcome with anxiety that I decide to scour the tank, CSI style, looking for clues. I pressed my face against every square inch of the tank, desperate to salvage a shred of sanity. I couldn't believe my eyes when I spotted something minuscule beneath a massive coral in the far corner. With curiosity, I extended my hand and retrieved the coral, only to uncover the skeletal remains of the pink cichlid. It seemed that the other 3 cichlids had conspired to eliminate the pink one, and cunningly pinned the blame on me through some sort of telepathic trickery.